Okay, time for an update. Yesterday we attempted to work out on our property so we can make noise and grind and weld and run generators and all that, but the weather was against us. It was pretty cold and wet. We probably got 2.5 hours worth of work in, but it wasn't worth all the time and effort that we spent packing everything up, unpacking everything when we were out there, repacking it and then coming back here and unpacking again. So it was a bust for the most part. We did, as you saw, get some of the work done on the screens. I got 2 of the screens put in, but today here I said to hell with the noise. I went and cut my screens and I got all the screens installed on the tube and spent time by myself. This thing is heavy, mind you, but to get it up on that cradle, on those wheels and that frame there, it was a daunting task. I had 4 straps, these ratcheted straps, and I used them, pull, push, swing, lift, whatever, and I got this far. I'm gonna push it past where it's gonna sit because I want to try to get that sprocket back on this side over here. Right now, the wheel that I have attached over on this side, I had to cut it out. That's the wheel that, as the trommel turns, that wheel will hold the trommel from slipping down. Unfortunately, I made the segments that I cut out here, I made them a little bit too long going that way, and it interferes with the wheels. So I need to pull the whole unit back so that there's a full section of tube to spin on the forward wheels. Okay, here's where we're at right now. Trying to get the sprocket attached to the tube and get it secured. The best way I can figure to do it is to take if you remember the grouser bars, we cut the ends off while we were up on the property. I saved them and I'm using them for the brackets. So I've got 5. The other 4 are already installed. I figured I'd take a minute to show you the last one. Alright, so I'll spin it. You can see I've got all 5 of them attached now. So the sprocket is tapped up against the brackets right now so that we can get it welded. Alright, we're gonna tap these brackets to the sprocket. See how we do it. one. Okay, well that was just the wheel that holds the tube up from sliding down. I had it attached before straight on the cross member here, but because of the sections of the screen you see in relation to the wheel, I made them too long, and that caused me to have to push the tube back that way. So that's why I had to put an extension. Take that wheel off, extend it, and then weld the wheel back. That's what I just did right now. So anyway, it's turning. It's in place. I'm excited.